All right, so it's time to start off Charlie, the second part of Operation Hero. We're going to focus on burning off some more of that body fat, building up some muscle, and strictly in our exercise portion, we're going to talk about fixing muscular instability. All right, so in Charlie, we're going to focus on those things. We want to make sure that our muscles and our balance is well fixed and well ready so that when we move into Bravo, we're able to appropriately train in muscular endurance and in hypertrophy so we can grow some muscle and further reduce our body fat. But we're going to start doing some weekly challenges, and I want you to take these challenges seriously, and I want you to implement these challenges all the way through Operation Hero. So all the way through to the end of Bravo and then some afterwards. So this week we're going to talk about hydration, and we're going to do a hydration challenge. So I want you to get anywhere between 90 and 120 ounces of water every single day. So that's a big gap right there. Let's start at 100 and we can fluctuate up and down depending on how you're feeling. Now, what happens if you're not getting enough water? You may think if you're drinking too much water, you're going to start to bloat and you're going to start to see your belly come out a little bit more. That's actually not the case. If you drink less water, your body's going to want to hold on to that water, and that's actually why you see that bloating. We want to ensure we're getting plenty of water in us every single day because our nutrients need to flow through our bodies to go to our vital organs and to our muscles in order for them to grow. Without the water, this process cannot happen. There's other properties of water that we really need from this, but we're not going to get too sciencey there. We just want to ensure that we're getting 90 to 120 ounces of water every single day. So that is your next challenge, making sure you're getting 90 to 120 ounces of water in you every single day. So how are we going to track this? So what I want you to do is get a notebook, and you're going to write on that notebook at the very top of that first page, hydration challenge. And you're going to put underneath that hydration challenge day 1. And every day that you get within that range of your water, you're going to put a check mark that you've done so. If there's a day where you don't get enough water, let's say you get 60 ounces of water, you're just going to put an X. So as we move through this challenge and we see all these check marks, eventually you don't need to check off this hydration challenge anymore because it has now become a habit. So right now, all I want you to do is write in a notebook, hydration challenge, day 1. Now, there's a couple things we can do to add water to our daily routine. One of the things, and this is a second part of this challenge, is our lemon water challenge. So all I want you to do is I want you to heat up lukewarm water, 2 cups of water, and squeeze half of a lemon in that cup. I want you to drink this every single morning. What's going to happen here is that acid is going to stimulate your gallbladder to squeeze that toxic bile to further improve your digestion. So that's why we're drinking this lemon water. We're going to do this lemon water every single day. And to check off that you've been doing this, all I want you to do is take a picture of your lemon water for the next 3 days and post it to the group. Post it to the group and tag me so that I can see that you've done so. And that's it. The only other thing I have for you is my inflammation tea recipe. The active ingredient in there is turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory that we can get naturally. So please take advantage of that inflammation tea. Inflammation can come from many, many things. Inflammation can come from just stress. Stress can come from a cut on your wrist. Stress can come from sitting around for too long. Stress can come from just being unhappy. And that stress can accumulate over time, and inflammation will accumulate along with it. As that accumulates, we lead into increased body fat. So if we can manage that inflammation with this inflammation tea by adding turmeric to your diet, we can further manage our body fat. Okay, so that's all I need you to do. Remember, our challenge this week is hydration. We want to make sure we're getting 90 to 120 ounces every single day. The lemon water is a second aspect of our challenge. So 2 cups of lemon water every single morning as you wake up. And then that inflammation tea. It's not required to do the inflammation tea, but I do ask that you do this. It is a very powerful tool that we could be using going forward through Operation Hero. So that's it. Check out your next steps and go bust it.